The portable 8 kilowatt diesel heater provides efficient and rapid heating, capable of warming up spaces between 215 and 269 square feet within 10 minutes. Equipped with an intelligent LCD monitor and remote control, this heater allows for precise temperature adjustments and ensures safety with features like overheating protection. With its low fuel consumption and large capacity fuel tank, the heater can continuously deliver heat for up to 16 hours, optimizing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Its all-in-one and portable design makes installation straightforward and convenient, ideal for use in a variety of settings such as RVs, trucks, and boats. The versatility of this diesel heater makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, offering reliable warmth in garages, trailers, and tents. BreAro, the manufacturer, provides excellent customer support, ensuring any issues such as missing parts or assembly problems are promptly addressed.